how to add or remove Samsung music tabs like albums, artists, genres, folders, or composers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Then in Samsung Music, tap on the more button, then tap on settings. After that, we scroll down and then tap on manage tabs. And from the list here, simply select on the items that you want to add or remove. So if you want to remove albums and artists from the tabs, deselect them, then go back to your Samsung Music and you will notice that those deselected items will be removed from the tabs at the top. To bring it back, just go back into settings and then we go down and tap on manage tabs, and here we can select the we can select those items to add it back in, and that's it. So if I want to remove composer, I will deselect composer, and here you can see all the selected tabs will be added back in. So artists, genres, and folders is in here, but composer has been removed, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.